The fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 20, the 10th term is 35. Find the first term A and the common difference D. So we've got the fifth term is 20, so here n is going to be 5. We've got the 10th term is equal to 35, therefore this n is going to be 10 here. We don't know A and we don't know D. We know that any term of an arithmetic sequence un is going to be A plus n minus 1 times D. So in this case, when n is 10, we're going to get 35 is going to be equal to A, n, which is 10 minus 1 times my value of D. So that's going to give me A plus 9D, 10 minus 1, is equal to 35. I'm going to call that equation 1. In the second case, where n is equal to 5, we know the term is 20. It's A times 5 minus 1 times D. And that's going to give me that A is plus 4D is equal to 20. So we've got two equations here. In order to solve them, we have to use simultaneous equations. So we subtract. A minus A gives me nothing. 9D minus 4D gives me 5D. 35 minus 20 gives me 15. Divide by 5, we're going to get that D is equal to 3. Substitute into equation 1. So we're going to get 5 is equal to 9 times D, so using this one here, and D is now 3, is equal to 35. 9 3s are 27. And then taking 27, we're going to get A is 8. So we end up with A is 8, D is 3. Now we have to find the sum of the first 20 terms. That means n is going to be 20, and we have to find s of 20. So we need s of 20, A is 8, D is 3, n is 20. The sum, Sn, is n over 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 times D. So S20 is going to be 20 over 2, 2 times my value of A, which is 8, plus 20 minus 1, n is 20, times my value of the common difference, which is 3. So 20 divided by 2 is 10, 2 8s are 16, 20 minus 1 is 19 times 3. So that's going to give me 10 of 16 times... plus 57, 19 times 3 is 57, so it's 10 times 73 and gives me the sum being 730. So this has been a video to show you how to find the A and D when you know what two terms of an arithmetic sequence are, and then the sum of a certain number of that particular sequence. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.